On this episode of How to Do Florida, Chad challenges himself with a Lake County adventure. He'll be taking a glider flight,
Oh my gosh!
skeet shooting,
This is fun.
golf,
Ha! I lost it.
mudding, a fresh game feast,
Oh, there we go.
and winding down with a spa treatment fit for a hard-working TV show host.
George of the Jungle. I love it.
And Chef Justin will serve up a fermentation fruity sensation, tropical sangria. Oh, this is a Florida adventure you don't want to miss. It's How to Do Florida.
Hey, we're in Lake County. We're going to show you how to have an adventure weekend. You know, Central Florida is not all theme parks and crowds. Not far from all that hustle and bustle is beautiful Lake County, located in North Central Florida, just outside of Orlando. This nature lover's paradise has over 300,000 acres of outdoor beauty and 1,400 named lakes. From camping and kayaking to world-class fishing, Lake County's central location makes it accessible from anywhere in the state. I've been bringing my family here for years. We love the old Florida appeal, historic towns, unique shopping,
Is that the price of the date?
and quaint accommodations.
Has so much character.
Oh gosh,
you know?
Today, I'm on an adventure quest. My goal? To pack in as much adventure as Southern Lake County can dish out.
This place smells like adventure.
First stop, Seminole Lake Glider Port, where they offer glider rides and lessons. Rich? Rich, I'm going for a thrill ride with a veteran pilot. Hey, have you guys seen Rich?
Yeah, Rich is over there somewhere.
He's over there.
Yeah.
Oh, you see this thing?
Sir, can I help you?
Whoa! You can if you're Rich.
I'm Rich. Are you Chad?
I am.
Well, I spent 22 years in the U.S. Navy flying fighters off the aircraft carrier, and now I'm a glider pilot, and I absolutely love it. This is a DG-1000 Turbo.
This is a glider in the sense that there's no engine.
That's
correct?
correct. We fly strictly with the help of thermals, which is the sun heating the ground heats the air, hot air rises, and underneath all these clouds is lift. So I think we should go up there underneath one of these clouds and go fly
Today.
today.
This German-made aircraft is capable of 170-mile-an-hour air speeds.
And then just lower yourself down. Nice and comfy.
Okay.
Here's your seatbelt here. There we go. And it works just like a normal seatbelt.
This is not a normal seatbelt.
It's a seatbelt just like in a fighter aircraft, to tell you
Okay,
the
well, most
truth.
people aren't familiar with the seatbelt in a fighter jet. It does have
Can you
kind
reach
of
the rudder pedals?
Oh my gosh, I'm steering right there?
You're steering. So when we're flying, you can put your feet on the rudder pedals and your fingertips on the control stick. And when I'm flying the airplane, you'll see how much I'm actually moving the controls. So
wait.
when you're- Okay.
I don't want to be controlling anything.
Oh, you're going to fly the airplane. First thing you do is you follow me through, and then after that, you're doing it all on your own. This is your airspeed indicator. This is our radio. This is our dive brakes. Very important. Big thing is, I wouldn't touch anything red. So this handle
Okay.
right here is red.
Nothing
that
red.
jettisons the canopy. So it turns you from a hardtop to a convertible real quick.
Of course. I think we just need to get up in the air before I have too much stuff in my head and I don't want to do this anymore. So let's do this.
Let's go fly. That's
Let's
the
go
fun
fly.
part.
This is going to be spectacular, right, Rich?
It'll be fantastic. You'll have a blast.
All right. I keep telling myself this. I'm a little nervous, to be honest.
We have a lot of people that have flown with us that have felt the same way, but I know that Chad's in for a treat that he won't ever forget. A small plane is used to tow the glider up to an altitude of 4,000 feet. This is a really safe operation when you're flying a glider, mainly because you don't have a motor, so there's no mechanical breakdowns. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm ready for this next part.
Release.
Time to detach from the tow plane.
Here we go. We are released. Woo-hoo-hoo!
The view from the glider was almost sensory overload. It takes your breath away how beautiful it is up here.
Let me know when I'm actually officially driving, okay?
You're driving this glider. You're the pilot.
Woo, it's very sensitive. It's very responsive.
It's very responsive.
Wow. Woo. Depending on the flight you choose, they have rides that can take you from 3,000 to 5,000 feet, with soar times lasting from 15 to 75 minutes.
Okay, I think it's time to buzz the tower, Maverick.
We're going
now
fast
we're going
now.
fast.
Holy mackerel, how fast are we going?
We're doing 135 miles an hour.
Holy mackerel. Oh my gosh.
Woo! Let's line up with the runway.
Are we landing or buzzing?
We're buzzing the tower.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Here comes the landing gear. It'll be nice and calm. Now we'll come down here. We'll get low and low. We're on the ground.
Oh, I love the ground.
For anybody that wants to come out and try a glider ride, you're really going to be impressed to see Florida in a way that you've never seen before.
Oh my gosh.
Well, did you see Central Florida in a way you've never seen it before?
Absolutely spectacular, sir. I can see why you love this. I'm keeping my feet firmly planted on the ground for this next adventure. I'm headed to Mission Inn, a beautiful Spanish colonial-style resort located in Howey in the Hills.
I tell you what, this place is spectacular. Over 1,100 acres of destination resort paradise.
With activities and recreation galore here, I'm headed for an afternoon at their trap and skeet range. Safety and fun are top priorities here. But even though I've been around guns my whole life, gun range manager Steve Jones puts me through my paces.
Look at this.
Oh yeah.
All right, let me see you aim. Awesome, Chad. I think you'll hit one. You look good, though.
Mission Inn provides everything you need for a day of clay sport activities. Shells, guns, eye and ear protection, and biodegradable targets. They should put like grass seeds in these, you know?
You know, that's a good idea.
Yeah, market that. Okay, time to see if I still got it. Pull.
Nice job, Chad.
Pull.
Nice job.
This is fun.
Nice job. Hey, load two. Load two, Chad.
Oh, he's gonna load two for me. Now we're talking. Pull. I don't think I've ever done that, Steve. That was cool.
Let's do it again.
I'm on a roll. Time to take it up a notch.
Have you ever seen somebody shoot 10 in one shot?
No. Yeah, the universe's record right here.
Okay, here we go. Pull. Ha! You see that?
Go, buddy.
10 in one shot. Let's call Guinness. We got to call somebody, Steve.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. I got a phone here. Who do we call?
Let's try this. Ready?
Yeah, there you go. That's a great idea. Pull.
Great idea.
Up next, Chef Justin's got just what you need to quench the summer heat.
This is a great drink when you have a gathering, want something nice, cool, and refreshing.
And later, Chad continues his Lake County adventure with a Mutter-approved date with a duck.
The duck and the muck. Like, what's the duck part?
Hijinks on the links
It popped out over there.
and a fresh game feast.
I've lost track of what is what. It's all good.
On today's show, Florida tropical fruit sangria.
Ooh. You old enough to drink?
By a year.
Good. Florida wine, chef. We're doing a sangria.
Yeah.
Excited about this.
You know, Chad, this is a great drink when you have a gathering, a few people around, want something nice, cool, and refreshing. This is going to be perfect. We have our wine. You want to go ahead and get our wine into our bowl here.
Yeah.
We got a punch bowl that we'll be using because we're going to serve multiple people. We have strawberries, blueberries. I have some pineapple, mango, some fresh citrus, and maybe a little bit of mint, and then we'll finish it off with a little bit of ginger ale. It's time to start adding fruit.
Fruit.
Yes, sir.
What do I cut?
Okay, you can take the tops off the strawberries and maybe cut them in half and
You don't
start
want me to-
getting them in there.
you don't want me to peel these
Yes.
blackberries?
I need skinless blueberries.
Blueberries?
For the recipe.
Okay. Okay. Quarter them. That means make 1 into 4.
Yes. Take out the little center here.
There's a line right here.
There is.
Just try to respect
Do
that
not
line.
cross.
Respect that line.
Okay, pineapple in. Okay, I'm
Two
gonna cut
more
some
here.
citrus for you to squeeze in there.
This has got to be just some great television right here. It's a chop-a-thon.
Chop-a-thon. And I'm gonna start working on this mango. Now, there's a couple different ways to skin a mango. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a slice down either side, just like this. And then using my knife, I'm gonna make some crosshatch pattern in here without cutting myself, and then turn this bad boy inside out.
Ha!
And now that it's inside out, I can just kind of run my knife
Dude, that's awesome.
around through here and get as much of this off, just like so, without getting that skin on there.
That is really cool.
Not bad. That's one
Good
way
tip
to
right
do
there.
it. Are you squeezing? You squeeze the
Sorry.
rest of those in there?
Oh, I'm squeezing. I was quartering.
Oh.
I'm quartering everything. Can we squeeze these?
Yes, like I asked you to do. Squeeze them.
Busted.
That's all right. No problem.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Now, let's pull this
Blueberries?
over. Yeah, let's get some blueberries in there. You peeled those already?
All peeled, ready to go. Skinless blueberries. Oh, one more thing I want to put in there. We're underneath this amazing
What?
sea grape tree. Ooh, right there. Can I throw some sea grapes in there?
Sea grapes in the sangria.
Come on, just one or two. Sprinkle them in there.
Okay,
There we go.
don't try this at home with any berries off trees.
It's gonna be good.
All right, we're looking good. It's time to get this over ice. Are you ready?
I am ready.
We're gonna serve it up just like this. There's one for you, sir.
Woo.
I'm actually
That
going
is absolutely
to
just gorgeous. Look at that.
garnish this with
Beautiful.
just a little bit of fresh mint on top.
Nice. Yeah, this is a great, just hot summer treat,
Perfect
right?
for the summertime. Yes, absolutely.
You got a sea grape
I
in there.
see the sea grape in there.
You want to trade?
Yeah, let's trade. Thank you. All right, cheers. Here's to Florida Tropical Fruit Sangria.
Oh yeah. Good
Yummy.
stuff. Already feeling a little tipsy.
Ooh, yeah.
Good.
Coming up,
Now this is fun.
Chad powers on with his Lake County adventure as this ultimate guy getaway continues.
Can I go again?
Go for it.
You watch How to Do Florida. We'll be right back.
We're showing you how to do an adventure in beautiful Lake County, Florida. We've already soared to great heights in a glider
Holy mackerel.
and shot 10 clay pigeons with one shot.
Pull.
Well, kind of.
You see that? 10 in one shot.
I tell you, all this adventuring works up an appetite. Fortunately, there's a place in Lake County where even eating is an adventure.
Oh, it's my kind of place.
Red Wing Restaurant offers the finest and fresh game from all over the world.
The restaurant was built in 1948.
This place does protein right. Look at this.
At any time, you could have 11 different game items on the menu.
Oh, there we go. I've got quail, elk, deer, frog legs, gator, duck. This is adventure eating at its best. Here we go. Gator's very tender. Chef Justin, you would be proud. I tell you what, if you're ever in Lake County, try Red Wings. You will not be disappointed. Oh, that's good. I don't know what it is. I've lost track of what is what. It's all good.
All right, fueled up for my next adventure. I'm going from eating duck to riding one.
So the next adventure on our list is Revolution Off-Road. This place is renowned for its off-road vehicles. They have a new vehicle that I've been dying to try.
Revolution owner Kevin Jowett wastes no time in introducing me to the latest sensation in off-road vehicles.
Well, Chad, this is it. This is the mucky duck.
So let me wrap my head around this thing.
Okay.
So what's the duck part?
Well, it goes in the water. It's amphibious, so it floats.
It floats.
Oh, absolutely. Well, as long as the plugs are in at the back, it floats.
Well, let's
yeah.
make sure those are in. And what's the muck part?
We go through all the tracks and trails, and when it rains out here in the wetlands and
Yeah.
stuff, it's really muddy.
So that's the muddy part.
Yeah.
I cannot wait to get on this.
You're going to have a blast.
Oh
with it.
yeah,
You
man.
really
This is gonna
are.
be fun.
Yeah.
And you sure it floats?
We're an off-road adventure park located 15 miles west of Disney World, and we do lots of fun activities out here like ATVs, dune buggies, mucky ducks, archery, bass fishing, and skeet shooting.
A quick checkout with my guide, and I'm ready to roll.
You might want to use these goggles here, keep some of that dust out of your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, you want to go
How do
ahead
I
and
look?
turn that kit? You look great.
Ready?
Yeah.
It takes a little getting used to, but once you get the hang of it, this thing is fun and easy to drive.
Now this is fun!
Okay, let's see if this thing really floats.
Are my plugs in? This has got to be the ultimate Florida vehicle right here. You can go through the mud, you can go in the water, you can fish out of this thing. This is my kind of fishing right here. I'm in love.
All right. Dude, that is awesome.
Excellent.
Oh my gosh. What an amazing ride. Can I go again?
Go for it.
After a full day of adrenaline-jacked adventures, it was time to wind down a bit.
I thought it'd be nice to come out here for a round of relaxing golf. Oh yeah.
I'm back at Mission Inn, where 2 champion golf courses are beckoning. Recently, El Campeon course was recognized by Golf Advisor as the #2 golf course in the nation. So yeah, this course meets up to my high standards. But first, I'm gonna gear up.
Apparently you can't wear flip-flops on a golf course, so I need golf shoes.
203.30.
203.30?
Yes, sir.
You sure there's no way to rent these? This is the most adrenaline I've felt all weekend buying these shoes. $200. All right.
Now, Florida has more golf courses than any other state, and I host a show about Florida. So the logical conclusion would be that I play a lot of golf. Sadly, that's just not the case.
Ha! Did you see it? I lost it. Okay, let's try another hole. I should have brought a caddy. Oh yeah. Come on over here. Come right here. Stand right here. What's your name?
Chris.
Okay. I need you to carry this because this is too much for me to carry and swing at the same time. Look, Lake Loon, over there. It popped out over there. You know, I came out here to relax, but turns out golf can be very frustrating.
Fortunately, I did find one way to relax at Mission Inn.
Hey, sir, no fishing.
Good.
It's hard to believe all this exists in one Central Florida county. Come to Lake County and experience the real Florida. To plan your Lake County adventure, check out visitlakefl.com.
Oh, now this is relaxing. Oh, yeah.
Oh, your muscles are really tight right now.
Oh, thank you. Oh. What an adventure. I want to encourage you to come out here and have your own adventure. Well, that's our show. I hope you learned something, but more importantly, I hope you feel encouraged to get out and do Florida. Welcome to the show, and this is a cooking show. Yeah, you're in my way, Chef.
Yeah,
Come
I'm
right
sorry.
there.
I'm
Right here,
sorry.
Congratulations. You
Respect.
almost beat the nuns that were here last week.
That was a little too close. So now where will I be sitting? Is there an eject? I'm hungry. Is there an in-flight meal on this thing? I don't see any steward. I think I'm gonna go Hunter's Platter, but bring me on a side of frog legs, duck, and gator.
Okay.
You want a bite? No, it's for me. This bother you? Lake Loon, over there.